Now we're going to take a look at the SSL channel EQ section. Below the filter section, even though that's really EQ, we're just going to look at these 4 bands of EQ here. We've got a high band, that's either shelving or bell. Shelving is boosting the setting, or this frequency here, and everything above, in the case of high frequency shelving, and low frequency shelving on the bottom is boosting that frequency and everything below, so 50 and below, for example. And sounds pretty good. It's a great sounding EQ. Let's take a listen. We can also switch to bell, which makes it a bell-shaped boost instead of a shelf. Sorry about that crunch there. So it's the same on the bottom and the top. We also have the bell button on the low end. Then we have 2 bands of mid with boost, frequency, and the addition of a Q control or bandwidth control that lets us do a narrow or wide boost. Let's take a listen. So the wider you go here, just like the picture shows, the more frequencies you're boosting around this center frequency here, which is set to something. That's how that works. This band is identical, except the range of frequencies goes from about 200 Hz to 2.5K versus about 600 Hz to about 7K. To bypass the EQ altogether, click on Bypass right here.